pretty, well, I'd say I think I got a pretty good coat. Maybe I should squirt up inside the fenders too while I got it here. Oh, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Wouldn't be a bad idea at all. Oh, joy. Got a lot of little spots like this, which I've been curious to hit with a grinder. See what would happen to them. It might be a fun thing to do a little bit of while we're out here today, just to see how that works out. Oh, joy. By the way, I'm wearing my best one and only farmer shirt today. I don't know if y'all see that or not. I don't. Y'all still copying me there? Let's do this. Got my best one and only farmer shirt. I'd show you the back, but when I turn around, I think you can't see it. I don't think I can get my arm back there far enough for you to see the back of it. I suppose I could sit you up here. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Might not be possible.